Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that resonates with many of us, navigating financial challenges without money as we head into 2025. In a world where financial stability can feel like a distant dream, it's crucial to equip ourselves with the right strategies to manage life when funds are tight. We'll explore practical tips and creative solutions that can help you thrive, even when your bank account doesn't reflect your ambitions. From bartering skills to leveraging community resources, we'll discuss how resourcefulness can become your best ally. You'll learn how to tap into your creativity to find alternative ways to meet your needs, whether it's through DIY projects or community support networks. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed by financial stress or simply want to prepare for the unexpected, stick around. This video is packed with insights that can empower you to take control of your situation. Remember, tough times don't last, but resourceful people do. Let's turn challenges into opportunities and discover how to navigate this journey together. Assessing your current situation. Before we can tackle financial challenges, it's essential to take a step back and assess your current situation. Start by listing all your current expenses and income sources. This includes everything from your monthly rent or mortgage to groceries, utilities, and any other recurring bills. Knowing exactly where your money is going is the first step toward regaining control. Next, categorize your spending into essential and non-essential items. Essential spending covers necessities like housing, food, and healthcare, while non-essential spending includes things like dining out, subscriptions, and entertainment. By identifying what you truly need versus what you can cut back on, you can make informed decisions about where to save. Finally, take stock of any assets or resources you may have that can be leveraged. This could include savings accounts, valuable items you no longer need, or even skills you can offer in exchange for services. By evaluating your financial status and identifying immediate needs, you'll be better equipped to navigate the challenges ahead. Remember, understanding your situation is the foundation for creating a solid plan moving forward. Creating a budget. Once you've assessed your financial situation, it's time to create a budget that will help you manage your limited resources effectively. Start by outlining your necessary expenses, such as housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Prioritize these essentials to ensure that your basic needs are met first. Next, set realistic spending limits for each category. Be honest with yourself about what you can afford, and don't forget to account for occasional expenses like medical bills or car maintenance. This will help you avoid surprises and keep your budget on track. Remember, the goal is to create a budget that is both practical and sustainable, so be flexible and adjust as needed. Tracking your daily spending is crucial to staying within your budget. Consider using a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to record your expenses. This will not only help you see where your money is going but also allow you to identify areas where you can cut back. By consistently monitoring your spending, you'll develop better financial habits and gain confidence in managing your resources. With a solid budget in place, you'll be better equipped to navigate financial challenges and work toward a more secure future. Exploring alternative income sources. In today's ever-changing financial landscape, finding ways to generate income without traditional employment is more important than ever. One effective approach is to consider freelance work or gig economy jobs. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit offer opportunities to leverage your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, or even running errands. This flexibility allows you to work on your own terms while earning extra cash. Another great option is to explore selling unused items online or at local markets. Look around your home for items you no longer need. Clothing, electronics, or furniture can all be sold for a profit. Websites like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and local garage sales can help you declutter while putting some money back in your pocket. Additionally, think about utilizing your skills for services like tutoring, pet sitting, or handyman work. If you have expertise in a particular subject, offering tutoring sessions can be a rewarding way to earn income. Similarly, pet sitting or providing handyman services in your community can fill a need while generating extra funds. By exploring these alternative income sources, you can create a more stable financial situation and gain greater control over your economic future. Networking and community resources. When facing financial challenges, leveraging community support and networking can be invaluable. One of the first steps is to join local community groups or online forums where you can connect with others who may be in similar situations. These platforms often provide a wealth of information, resources, and emotional support, helping you feel less isolated in your journey. Additionally, don't hesitate to seek out food banks, shelters, or financial assistance programs in your area. Many communities offer resources designed to help those in need, whether it's access to nutritious food, temporary housing, or financial aid for essential bills. These services can provide immediate relief and help you regain your footing. Connecting with friends and family can also be a powerful way to find support. Reach out to your network and let them know what you're going through. You might discover that they have resources to share or are willing to collaborate on projects that can generate income. Whether it's pooling resources for a shared living situation or simply having someone to talk to, building a support system can make a significant difference. By tapping into community resources and networking, you can navigate financial challenges more effectively and find hope in tough times. Developing skills for the future. Investing time in learning new skills is a crucial step toward enhancing your employability, especially in a rapidly changing job market. One of the best ways to start is by utilizing free online resources like Coursera or Khan Academy. These platforms offer a wide range of courses that can help you acquire valuable knowledge in various fields, from business management to graphic design. When choosing what to learn, focus on skills that are in high demand, such as coding, digital marketing, or data analysis. These skills not only increase your marketability but also open doors to new career opportunities. By staying updated on industry trends, you can position yourself as a competitive candidate in the job market. Additionally, practicing your skills through volunteer opportunities or internships can provide hands-on experience that is invaluable. Many organizations are eager for help, and volunteering can be a great way to apply what you've learned while also expanding your professional network. This practical experience can enhance your resume and give you the confidence needed to pursue paid positions in the future. By dedicating time to skill development, you're not just preparing for the job market, you're investing in your long-term career success. Maintaining a positive mindset, cultivating resilience and a positive outlook during financial hardship is essential for navigating tough times. One effective strategy is to practice gratitude by regularly reflecting on the things you appreciate in your life. This simple exercise can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, helping you maintain a more optimistic perspective. Additionally, concentrate on what you can control, such as your spending habits and personal growth, rather than dwelling on external circumstances that may be beyond your influence. Engaging in mindfulness or meditation can also be incredibly beneficial in reducing stress and anxiety. Taking just a few minutes each day to breathe deeply and center your thoughts can help clear your mind and improve your emotional well-being. There are numerous apps and online resources available to guide you through mindfulness practices, making it easier to incorporate them into your daily routine. Finally, surrounding yourself with supportive and positive individuals can make a significant difference in your mindset. Seek out friends, family, or community groups that uplift and encourage you. Sharing your experiences and challenges with others can provide comfort and inspiration, reminding you that you're not alone in your journey. By maintaining a positive mindset, you'll be better equipped to face financial challenges with resilience and hope. As we wrap up this discussion on navigating financial challenges without money, let's recap some key points. First and foremost, creating a strict budget is essential for managing your limited resources effectively. By prioritizing your expenses and tracking your spending, you can gain control over your financial situation. Additionally, networking and leveraging community resources can provide invaluable support during tough times. Connecting with others can open doors to opportunities and assistance that you may not have considered. We also highlighted the importance of developing new skills to enhance your employability. Investing time in learning through free online resources can set you up for future success in a competitive job market. Remember, the journey may be challenging, but maintaining a positive mindset is crucial. Cultivating resilience and surrounding yourself with supportive individuals can empower you to overcome obstacles and find hope in difficult circumstances. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content to support you on your journey. Thank you for watching, and remember, you have the power to I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.